Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another Mani Mondays, and I'm just going in with a first layer of the builder gel. I have another video in which I went a bit more in depth in how I used it. Well, actually that was my first time using it, but the only difference this time is that I'm using this Young Nails Protein Bond, and I only just watched a video as to how I'm really supposed to be using this, and it said that I really just needed to put it at the tips of my nails so the gel polish wouldn't chip, but you know, whatever. So like I said, if you want to see exactly how I do the builder gel with a bit more, instruction, I will definitely link that video in the description box. But for now, it's just a really concise version. I'm also going in with the clear builder gel as opposed to the nude cover, or cover nude I think is what it's called, because the clear vibe is what I was going for the rest of the looks. Right now my routine is adding a layer builder gel, or maybe even two, because I like the thickness that it gives to my nails as well as like the strength, as opposed to just having the gel polish on my bare natural nail. So that's why I'm doing that. So now that the base is handled, I'm going into the art, and today I'm trying something different. I have this nail art brush set from Mia's Secret. I actually bought it from a local store that I'll link in the description box. And for today's art, I am actually going to be using acrylic paints, which I think is the first time I've ever really used acrylic paints on my nails. So this is going to be interesting. So I chose out my colors, and I was actually inspired by this picture of a coffee, what do you call those places, like a cafe called Full Bloom here in Trinidad. So yeah, that was my inspiration pick, and so I'm gonna try my best to see how I could create nails based on the design that I saw. So I just lay out a little bit of the paints on this random plastic wrapper that's gonna be my palette. And because this really is not an instructional video, like I'm not an artist. I did art up to Form 5 in high school, but I still wouldn't really call myself an artist. It's not something that I practice on a regular. But I mean, I think I could do a little something. And I had that gel polish. This is a Modelones gel polish that I was thinking to use at some point in the design. So that's why I showed you guys that. But like I said, I'm not an artist. This really is not an instructional video. I just went based on what I saw in the picture and tried to create some of it on my nails. So, well, for the most part, I guess you guys can just watch as I draw on my hands, paint on my fingernails actually. it's me just popping back in. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. So for the the stuff that I'm painting on my nails, the one color is kind of like boring, so I wanted to add some definition. So like for this leaf, it's supposed to be a leaf in case you didn't get that. I just added some lights and darks to give it a little bit of dimension. I did the same for the random kind of light aqua leaf that I have on my middle finger. And well, yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say at this point in time. For this finger, I kind of wish that I did the blue leaf, the blue branch a little bit smaller, so that it wouldn't have taken up so much of the brown. But I mean, it still turned out okay in my mind. And as you can see, again, I'm adding some definition with the darker blue. At this point, I think I was tired of doing the art, so I just used the gel polish on my thumb and for half of my pinky nail. And I also went in with some of this gold foil that I got from Premier Salon Supplies for a little razzle dazzle on the pinky. And then I went in with my top coat. I was kind of in two minds as to whether to use shiny or matte, but I think the shiny top coat really took this to where I wanted it to go, so glad I went with that decision. But what I was really studying is how I was going to be doing this on my right hand with my non-dominant left hand. I also really wasn't feeling the color on the thumb, so let's just ignore that, okay? All right, thanks. So we are back. My entire manicure is completed. That's the design I came up with on my thumbs. And yeah, so I went in with some really random things on my right hand, not so much intricate designs, fairly easy. Just use the end of the brush for some dots then some lines, some random stuff. So that is it for the manicure. I think it's a really abstract kind of vibe, but I think I do really like it. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Is it your kind of vibe? Like, which nail is your best? Like, as I look at it, I do see some nails that I like over others. This was really fun to do, and using the acrylics was really easy to work with. So maybe I might do, some more of this in the future. Maybe you guys could send me some pictures that you want me to recreate on my nails, and it'll be like a challenge. Anyway, thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.